That is idle. I am not touching the gas pedal. No one up there working the linkage. So cold idle at about 800. Good oil pressure, about 78 pounds. And you can see the engine is cold. Just starting to come off of 120. $850 double pumper. Very smooth. Pretty close to LS6 specifications. There we go. Okay, it's been running for a couple minutes. Still idling nice. That's about 950. You can see the temperature is up to about 180, probably where the thermostat kicks in. Still have almost 70 pounds of oil pressure. Goes up nicely. That's about a third throttle. Very responsive. Drives as well as it sounds. Speedo works, temperature gauge works, fuel gauge. Clock is in op, no big deal there. Cares about time.